Shari can probably freestyle off yours.
Off me?
I can't freestyle, period.
Cause you'll probably get the vibe.
Just gotta feel it. Just gotta feel it.